ALLDATA Repair, now more powerful than ever. Introducing ALLDATA Maintenance Schedules, your step-by-step digital service assistant, powered by original manufacturer data for precise, compliant, and confident service. Access complete, up-to-date maintenance schedules for every job, routine or complex. Streamline workflows, save time, and ensure consistent professional results across your team. OEM data you can trust for 61 brands in 14 languages, accessible anytime. Now with access to even more leading vehicle brands. Protect vehicle warranties, build customer trust, and boost workshop performance. With maintenance schedules and labor times combined, ALLDATA Repair is the all-in-one solution. One tool, one standard for every job. Work smarter, boost efficiency, earn customer trust every day. ALLDATA Maintenance Schedules.